fake data is in tables, client table is fielded. Then go to the create a controller. For creating controller, PHP artisan make control controller and controller name. Name the controller name is client controller and enter. For creating controller, PHP artisan make controller and controller name. Controller name is client controller. The controller creates successfully. Go to the controller HTTP and controller. Here is the client controller, is our created controller. We need to create a router in API. So go to the route and go to the API PHP, and this is marked to comment and type for a router. Route first is get and client, and the our client controller at index. The client controller index. Go to the client controller index controller and create a public function index. Public function index. Return name client table all values and save. We used appf and client model. Client and client controller index file. The client controller index client all files of all data of client's tables is returned to the view while API route get client is executed. Then go to the browser and type localhost /API/index. Our REST API is here. 20s Again, we create the another route route get client client and id client controller at so the function name and go to the client controller controller and create a public function name so as a so return dollar id and requirement is client table and dollar id save and go tap here and check client slash 12 this is 12 IDs data are here. In this way we create another route route post dollar client controller at store 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 and go to the client controller and create another public function store request request dollar request and logic are dollar client above equal to client create request all function and return responsive return responsive at the JSON format JSON JSON dollar table name model and one suppose one and save another add the REST API create another function and another route. Create another route name would plant 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 controller at upload upload function no, update update function plant slash id. In this way again route then the route get delete. So plant slash id and controller at delete. This way we create the function here for update public function update request dollar request. The logic is client dollar id. No, there is a put here and the id and logic is dollar id need to update update dollar request dollar request request all. Again we need another public function function for delete client dollar id logic is id id delete function and return responsive function and JSON null 240. All route and function are created for API. Now we test here can ID and maybe 313. Oops. Simple problem is we put here a semicolon. This is not need. This is not needed. And save again here. In this way, we are created API for website. The REST API is a very useful technique to nowadays.